Los Angeles, a former top executive of the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power made his first court appearance Friday on charges of accepting bribes from a lawyer in exchange for supporting a $30 million, no-bid DWP contract and was allowed to remain free on his own recognizance. David H. Wright, 62, of Riverside, who appeared in Los Angeles federal court via Zoom, previously agreed to plead guilty to a bribery charge on a date to be determined. The brief initial appearance before a magistrate judge in downtown Los Angeles was a formality in which a not guilty plea was entered and Wright's case was referred to U.S. District Judge Percy Anderson for future proceedings. Anthony Pacheco, Wright's attorney, did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Wright admitted accepting kickbacks and participating in other corrupt schemes while leading the municipal utility, according to his plea agreement. The lawyer named in the case, Paradis, has also agreed to plead guilty to a federal bribery count as part of a wide-ranging, and ongoing, probe of the city's handling of the botched launch of a DWP billing system. The cases against Wright and Paradis are believed to be the first criminal charges arising out of the investigation into the billing system rollout and subsequent litigation. The failed system led to many customers receiving wildly inflated bills. A DWP representative did not respond to a request for comment. Before joining LADWP, Wright worked for the city of Riverside for 25 years, including as city controller, the general manager of Riverside Public Utilities and as an internal auditor. He left in 2013. Wright was the DWP general manager from September 2016 until July 2019, when prosecutors say he resigned at the direction of Mayor Eric Garcetti. According to prosecutors, Wright developed a relationship with Paradis, an Arizona attorney hired by the city attorney's office to represent the city in litigation against the contractor involved in the introduction of the 2013 billing system. Paradis and his New York-based law firm also had a $6 million DWP contract to provide project management services in efforts to repair the faulty billing system. At the same time, however, Paradis was representing a DWP customer who planned to sue the city over the system. Paradis admitted in his plea agreement that he accepted a nearly $2 million kickback for getting another attorney to represent his ratepayer client in the lawsuit against DWP, a suit that ultimately resulted in a universal, class action settlement that critics contended was overly favorable to the city. Paradis, 58, is expected to make his first federal court appearance before a magistrate judge on Thursday.